For number 51, you have to know how many inches are in a foot. So how many inches are in 2.5 feet? I know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. You should also know these two things, I would say, with our English system of measurements, which I think is outdated and kind of ridiculous. Personally, I prefer the metric system, but we need to know these things since we live, or at least most of you that are watching probably live in the United States of America, where we refuse to switch to the metric system. Anyways, I'm done ranting. I have 12 inches and 1 foot. I have 3 feet in 1 yard, and conveniently I know that 5,280 feet is 1 mile. Of course it is. That number makes complete sense to use. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just ranting about our non-use and non-compliance with the rest of the world of the metric system. We have to use this idea. 12 inches is 1 foot. So 2.5 feet, I can say that's the same thing as 2.5. So I can multiply 12 times 2.5 to get my answer. Now you could have used fractions there too and done 2 times 12 as 24, half of 12 as 6. That would work as well, and you could add those together. You can do the decimals like I'm doing here as well. So this would be a 6. I'm moving on to the next digit. So leave a blank space for that first one. I've got a 4, I've got a 2. Put these together. I've got 0, I've got 0, I've got 3. 1 total place to the right of the decimal up here means you have to have 1 total place to the right of the decimal down in your answer. So fraction wise or decimal wise, either way you do that, you're going to have 30 inches for your final answer. 2.5 feet. Since 12 inches are in 1 foot, 2.5 feet is going to be 30 inches. Choice D for number 51.